is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and it's Diamond Art Club. So this is something that I purchased last week. Yeah, I purchased it on Saturday when the new releases were coming out. And I received it a little bit late due to the Diamond Art Club move. But my amazing customer service rep made sure to get it to me in plenty of time, and then my week took over, so I was unable to do an actual unboxing until tonight. So it is Friday. Woohoo! I'm gonna pull these out. So I am doing 2 of them. It's Friday, August 23rd, and I received these, I think, Wednesday, August 21st, and I ordered them Saturday, what is that, 20, 19, 18, 17, I think it was the 17th, August 17th. So, one of them was a new one, and one of them was a newer release, but not the sneak peek, well, it's not a sneak peek, not the brand new from last weekend. So, this is Portrait of an African Woman. I'm going to put in a nice picture right here for you. It is 32 by 56 centimeters. It's square with AB. I haven't gotten any round ones lately, and it's not for lack of wanting. It's just the ones I want have been square. And now that they've mastered the art of square AB diamonds, I believe they're trying to get their stock to kind of 50-50, and Diamond Art Club only offers their inventory in one or the other, not in both, due to the hand charting that they do. So, let's see here. So it comes in this opaque wrapper. However, any ones that are new coming out, I think they went back to the clear. But these were already bagged up. 1 bag of drills. Sorry, my light's really reflecting tonight. Beautiful colors. And then you've got your toolkit. The toolkit comes with they call it a magic applicator. Comfort grip, wax pad, craft tray, multi-placer, and if it's square, it comes with tweezers. I would love on the round ones, just because I know Diamond Art Club steps up their game, but I would like if they had the like blunt, nice tweezers. But we'll see. And then they sent a 3-placer. And you can put that on the opposite end. Okay. And then you have some baggies, a clear tray, and they do heart wax. Just kind of nice. That little extra touch of love. So let's put this back in here. Oh, and my squishy fell out. There's the squishy. Goes on your diamond pen. Okay, so what we got in here? All right, I needed one that was a little bit more manageable in size, and so I was really happy to see that this one was a little bit smaller. But isn't she beautiful? Oh my goodness, she's gorgeous, and I love her eyes. So if you're new to diamond painting, they give you a how-to inside, but it's also on the box. A lot of their newer kits now come with stickers. I'm just now working on one with a sticker, so I'm super excited. So I don't have to make a photocopy of this and run it through my sticker maker. Their canvases are self-flattening the longer that you have them out. However, I would like to flatten it right away, so I'm going to roll it backwards just so that it lays flat for us while I'm talking. Usually it takes anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes to flatten, if not shorter. This has 40 colors with 2 ABs, And it is absolutely gorgeous, guys. Is that not beautiful? And then I'll bring it up closer so that you can see the symbols are super clear. The sticky is amazing. And then they have the fray stitching on the side to prevent it from fraying, and you've got the wonderful feel on the back. We were joking one night, Diamond Art Club came into one of our lives, and they sent us a funny link of how they had a post on their site with a free inhaler that came with your Diamond Art kit because of, what do you call it? The asthma, Diamond Art Club asthma. So, sorry, blinked out there. Because their canvases are such high quality and they are self-flattening, I do feel like I can roll them back up. And the glue is also poured glue, so you're not going to affect and add any rivers or bubbles by doing this with the expansion and contrasting of the canvas. And I just put it right back in the sleeve. I just want to show you some of the drills. The nice thing is I never have to do inventory for Diamond Art Club. They do have a lifetime guarantee, and they will also send you drills if for some reason any are missing. But these colors are dynamite. Oh my goodness. You've got my favorite aquas and teals. You've got some oranges, purples. This 814 is one of my favorite deep reds. Some pinks. Absolutely gorgeous. Trying to look real quick. Something I do know about Diamond Art Club is they do not bag and DMC order. It's actually by weight. So you're going to have your largest to your least amount. Looks like, ooh, beautiful. Blue is your AB. You might ask, what is an AB? It stands for Aurora Borealis. You can see there it's more like a sequence versus this one, which is just a sparkle. So they've got the blue AB. And I'm just looking real quick at what the other AB might be. Diamond Art Club does their ABs. Anything under 150 is going to be an AB. Look at it real quick. See here. Sometimes it's an orange. Let's see. I have to study this a little bit more. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Oh, here we go. It's an aqua color. So it's nice and pretty. So yeah. So these drills do not disappoint. I don't mind that they're out of DMC order because when I kit it up, that's when I kit in order. And they told me that it was because the way the machines were set up, that it would take 2 to 3 times longer to run. I tend to talk during the crinkle. Just a second. Okay. So they told me it would take 2 to 3 times longer to kit up something if they had to do it in DMC order instead of weight. So there you go. I'm going to stick this back in its home. And usually this is when I get in trouble because I never put the drills back how they should be flat. And then they don't want to go in the box. Doing this off camera so that you don't make fun of me. So there we go. Okay. Now, what is this one? I've seen this one unboxed a couple times. It's my own fault that I didn't jump on and unbox it before everybody else did. But I had to get this one. This reminded me of growing up. And my mother loves lighthouses, and she has a really big lighthouse painting in her living room. I do remember when she was with this home interiors program, similar to like a Pampered Chef or whatnot. You went and had house parties, and she had a garden scene for the longest time, and then she found this lighthouse scene, and I remember the changing of the guard, and ever since that lighthouse has been up, it's been up for years, probably 15, 20 years, if not long. Well, it's been up almost 20 years, because longer than I've been married, and it's just a staple in our home. And then my husband, that's the toolkit. This one is square, so it does come with tweezers. Comes in a clear cover. So when I was married, my husband's mother, so my mother-in-law, I swear she's addicted to lighthouses. Everything is lighthouse. So I feel like it was a match made in heaven, so I had to get this one. And what is this one? This one is Cottage by the Sea. So it's square with AB, and it's 74 by 55. And I'm going to put a better picture in here, but this is the picture that's on the box. And so I had to get it, and with the sale going on, I was able to afford it. This has 43 colors, and tell me this is not beautiful. Here's a sailboat, here's a little cottage, here's a looks like another boat down here on the shore. Oh my gosh, and then you've got the sky, and then here comes the lighthouse. Is that not gorgeous? And then you keep unrolling, and here's your big cottage. This is the one that you want to go on vacation to. Is that not just epic? And so I just needed to get it as a reminder. And then it came with your instructions and with your sticker sheet. And so this is absolutely gorgeous. I have not had a Chuck Penson painting, and this is it. I'm not really big into the other landscapes that he has, but this one I just spoke to me, so I had to get it. So I'm looking forward to it. It does look like it's got a lot of confetti, but yet some areas of color blocking, which is how I like to go. I like a little of each as far as that's concerned. And then let's look at some of the drills. They're labeled, and you've got a wide variety of colors in here. I'm going to open and show you, but I'm not going to go through each one. But this one is bright colors, but more of your nature colors. So you've got oranges and greens and browns, some tans, these mauve colors you got going here, and I'm trying to find the ABs. Let's see. Let's look. Let's peek in this little purse here and see what we can find. AB wise. Am I gonna have to take you out? One is orange. So it's this very bright, vibrant orange. That's an AB. And, one is this light, creamy yellow. That's another AB. So those are, just double check that it only has 2. Yep, it only has 2. So, just a little touch of sparkle. Yeah, so I'm going to keep these in here because I'm really bad at putting them back, and there's a lot in here. Alright, so I am going to go set up another diamond painting. I'm working on Think of Me by Mandy Manzano, so that will probably be the next work in progress type video that you see. So thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for all your support. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe down below if you're not a subscriber, and hit that notification bell and you'll know when I go crazy again. So thank you so much. Love and care to you all. Be blessed. Bye-bye.